welcome to the Crafty Elf Workshop. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I normally hang my jeans, and then I saw a hack on the internet and I thought I would try it. So anyways, normally I take my jeans, I bring the legs up to the top, and I always ask for these hangers when I purchase jeans, and most of the times the stores are willing to give them to me. And they're the ones with the clips. And what I do is I bring pant leg bottoms up to the top and the waist, and that's how I hang them. And it's no higher than a shirt or anything, so if you don't have room to hang anything long, it's worked perfect for me. But the video I saw does something different, and you don't need to hang them at all. So what you do is you lay your jeans out so the fly is at the front, and then you fold it over. So I'm going to fold it over to just the end of the crotch part, and I'm going to fold it over like that, and then it shows bringing the legs in like that, and then folding them up once and then twice, and then you lift open the jeans, so where your body would go, and you tuck it inside. Okay, fold it up to the end of the waistband, and then tuck the pant leg inside, and then you fold it in half. Well, okay, I have to admit, it's pretty neat and tidy, I'm not going to lie. So let's do it again with another pair of jeans. And I'll try and do it on a different angle. So there's the fly part, there's the crotch. So you fold to the crotch, and you straighten the legs out, bring them in together, like so. So fold it up, fold the bottom of the leg up to the waistband of the pant, like that, and then you take the leg, you open up the jeans, and you tuck the legs into the jeans, and then you just, here's the middle, you just fold it. Okay, I have to say, I'm pretty impressed. So there's two pair of jeans, and look at how flat and neat they are. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, one more time. Lay the jeans out. I'm sure this will work with most pants, but you know, if they're dress pants or whatever, I'm not sure you want to do this, but with jeans, for sure. Okay, there's the crotch. Fold it over, bring the pant legs in, fold the hemline up to the waistband on both sides, open the one half of the jeans up, tuck the pant legs inside. Okay, I have to admit, this is pretty impressive, I'm not going to lie. Boy, is this going to save me room in my closet. Here's the seam. Fold it in half. Okay, so there's three pairs of jeans. Look at how thin, neat, organized that is. Wow. Okay, no more hangers. That's pretty exciting. I'm excited. Wow, awesome. Look at that. What a neat little package. Well, I hope you learned something, and happy folding, and thank you for visiting the Crafty Elf Workshop. Bye.